Holy crap, we are on the front row of Voltron Nevera here at Europa Park. My most anticipated coaster of the entire trip. I cannot believe this. The theming on this is unreal, dude. What a full package. Oh, yes, dude! Let's go! Woo! Alright, let's see what's going on here. Oh! 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 There's air time! Oh! That's crazy! What the heck? Oh, yes! Whoa! Whoa! What? Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Oh my God! It's so good! Oh! Oh, it's so intense! Whoa! Whoa! My God! Ah! Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! Woo! Oh my God! Oh my gosh! This ride is nuts! I'm so excited. That's just one half of the ride, guys. No way! Oh, turntable! Oh my gosh, guys. This is already so freaking good. Come on! Come on! Oh! Oh! Yes! Oh! 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 Oh my God! Oh! Oh! Yes! What? Oh! Yeah! Oh! Woo! Oh! Oh! My God, Voltron! Oh! 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 It's so intense. Oh God, that was amazing.